How to edit signature in DocuSign. So first go to DocuSign and then you can just click on your profile here at the top right and then click on manage profile. Now once you're there, you can see you'll be sent to here. Now once you're here, you just need to click on signatures here at the left side. Here you can just select your signature, click on actions and then click on edit. Once you're here, you can select any of the signatures here available for you. You can just select here, or you can just draw your signature here like so. Okay, now here you can also upload your signature and upload your initials. So let's say I'm going to choose a new one here since this is my default. I'm going to choose, let's say this one, the second one, and then just click on create. And yeah, there you go. Now if you want to start editing it again, you can just check it here, and that's it. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.